Are you a senior citizen armchair adventurer but really want to be a world explorer? Concerned that you just don't have what it takes to chase your travel dreams anymore? I know, we're not kids, but that doesn't mean the bucket list is closed for business. Here are 3 tips to make sure we're still traveling smart, strong, and safe. Tip 1. Check that bucket list. Are you still dying to visit Machu Picchu? Does a quiet Tuscan vineyard sound better these days? Be honest with yourself about where and how. It's all about matching your interest and your energy levels to the adventure, because a trip should be exciting and not exhausting. Tip 2, use that retirement perk, flexible schedules. Why battle peak season crowds and sky-high prices? Go off-season, fewer tourists, better deals, and more relaxed vibes. Guess what? You have the freedom to go when the rest of the world can't. Take advantage of that. Tip 3, pack like a pro. Let's face it, lugging heavy suitcase around is not the adventure we signed up for. Pack light, stick to the essentials, and choose smart gear, like the Ulti Everyday Everywhere bag by Conmigo. It was designed for seniors by a senior, me. It's lightweight, crossbody to save your shoulders and your back, and has these great compartments to keep all your stuff organized. Its built-in attached travel cushion is a godsend for those long trips and layovers. Plus, it's got lots of anti-theft features because I earn the money and I don't want to support the local pickpockets. So friends, let's keep exploring one well-packed, one well-planned trip at a time. Adventure doesn't stop just because we've got a few extra candles on the cake. We just have to be smarter about it. Travel smart, travel light, travel conmigo. Come with me on the adventure that is life. Conmigo.